end there, so.
Yeah, be quiet. I'm going in the video.
To join the railway line that the Victorians built along the North Welsh coast to speed links with Dublin. Today, my Bradshaw's Guide, published in the 19th century, will help me to crisscross the border between England and Wales to find out more about traditional foods, about the Industrial Revolution, and about aristocrats, and about how each of those responded to the coming of the railways. Along this route, I'm following an important railway line to Ireland designed to carry the mail. Each day, I'll cover another stretch of track, visiting places described in great detail in my Bradshaw's Guide, and meeting the people who live there today. I've already covered the first 64 miles from Ledbury to Shrewsbury, and now I'm heading east before I travel on to Chester. And make my way along
We're
the
going there
coast of
tomorrow.
Llandudno. From there up
Dad didn't
towards
know.
Snowdonia, before crossing the Menai Strait towards Holyhead. My first stop is Telford, then on to Chirk and Wrexham.
Wrexham.
In Bradshaw's day, Shropshire was one of the most important sites of nascent industrial activity and the birthplace of technologies that led to the first modern railways. Yes, thank you very much. Very nice to meet you. How are you? I'm very well, yourself? Yeah, lovely day for travelling, isn't it? Gorgeous. We're going to visit the Iron Bridge. Oh, it's very nice. It's rather important for railwaymen to know about the Iron Bridge, because I think it's the precursor to all the engineering that made the railways possible.
Oh, it is, yeah. You know, and it's fantastic. I mean, the structure itself of the bridge is just for its time. It's just, you can't imagine it, that they've been able to produce something. It's fantastic.
Or would be Telford Central High School. I'm getting off at Telford and moving a few miles on to the village of Colebrook Dale to understand why the bridge creates such excitement. In Bradshaw's day, Colebrook Dale was already noted for its role in the development of the iron industry. Bradshaw writes, several important processes in the manufacture of iron have originated here. About 1768, iron rails were laid down on the tramways. In 1779, the first iron bridge was laid. This still stands in substantial repair at a point where it crosses the Severn with a single arch. The Iron Bridge, as beautiful as it is historic, is a famous symbol of industrial progress. I've come to see John Challen, who works at the Iron Bridge Museum. John, hello. Hey, right. I sound very excited to be on this bridge. You should be. No, because I know its historic significance is enormous. And I mean, Colebrook Dale obviously was well established as a place where iron was made. Bradshaw says that there was nowhere like it, that you know, for producing and mass producing artifacts in iron, this was the place. It's where it all started. Abraham Darby came here to make iron, to make cooking pots, but the technology he bought, which was smelting iron and coke, and casting iron into sand balls, he did it in just the right place. Until the 18th century, charcoal was used to smelt iron. Because it used so much wood, iron could be made only in small amounts. Then Abraham Darby substituted coke from the local cornfields.
Text me, Dad, to say it was on.
Used ever since. It meant that cars
What's for you now?
The first iron wheels, the first iron cylinders for steam engines, and of course the bridge itself, and even went on.
I bought them chocolate rolls from Tesco today. Let's see if there's any left Sunday, eh? Innit? You and Tony eat like horse.
Do you know what that means?
Text your dad, say Portillo's on.
These first cast iron rails used for horse wagons in mines and quarries were the forerunner to
You go straight to Holyhead on a train. Telford to Chirk, Chirk to Wrexham. Oh, Telford, Shrewsbury, Chirk, Wrexham, Chester, Llandudno,
of it.
There's like
So-
fan roofs.
Well, it is, and on the other hand, though, it shows how far they've got with casting, because, you know, a stone bridge is a stone bridge with an iron bridge. You had a lot more freedom in design. All those components were cast off